So the amazing product that I've been showing you little sneak peeks of on my Instagram is finally ready. In today's video, I'm going to give you an overview of all of the features. However, I will be making more in-depth separate tutorials for each of the tools included because there is so much you can do in each of them. But today you'll get to see a glimpse of what you can do at PrintStick Studio. Studio is a set of powerful yet incredibly easy to use tools that are designed specifically for the needs of digital planners. These tools are so easy to use that you'll be able to complete and download any custom design within minutes, if not seconds. An awesome thing about Studio is that it'll work both on mobile and desktop, so you can easily use it on iPhone, iPad, or iMac. You'll be able to create colorful text labels in the form of stickers. Quickly customize each label with any font, colors, and background. When you're finished, you can save to your device or drag it directly to your planner pages. Perfect for organizing sections, decorating your spreads, or building your own journal from scratch. You can make your very own digital planner stickers. Select any shape, fill it with your favorite color, add an outline if you want, or you can also color it with a custom gradient. You'll be able to save to device or add directly to a page in your note-taking app. The next one is probably the most useful tool of them all, and it will help you turn any photo or other image into a custom shape. Just upload your photo, select a shape, adjust, and done. You can really get creative with this tool, and if you're into digital memory keeping, this will become your best friend. The next tool is something I use a lot, and that's why I added it, and it's pretty much the system I followed to create the signature backgrounds of PrintStick's best-selling planner, the PSO. You can draw on this canvas with any color or brush size to create a colorful design. When you're done, you can add this whimsical effect. You can then save and use this design with other tools, for example, to add it as a background in your calendar wallpaper, to fill a space in the collage grids, or to simply use it as a decorative element directly on your planner. With the next tool, you can design your very own digital planner covers. They will be ready to use on your planners or notebooks, whether they are horizontally or vertically oriented. You have several templates to choose from, and you can customize all colors, add custom labels, and you can even use your favorite font. You'll be able to use the finished cover saved as an image on any of PrintStick's planners, or you can export it as a PDF in case you need it for a different project. The next feature is definitely the most powerful one in Studio, and that is the ability to build a fully hyperlinked notebook with up to 12 unique sections in just a few seconds. You'll be able to import your finished notebook into GoodNotes or your favorite note-taking app, and the links will work as you're used to. Designing a digital notebook has never been easier or faster. This next feature is the one where I've spent the most time because you can create endless different designs, and you'll see how your creative juices start flowing when you discover all of the options that you have. You basically choose one out of a crazy amount of grids to which you can then add any photos, or you can also color each space with a gradient or custom solid color. You can add additional shapes, stickers, or more images on top, give them drop shadows, rotate them, reposition them, and you can also adjust the colors and look of the whole board. When you're ready, you can export the project and save it as an image to simply drop on your planner. And this is the quickest way ever to create vision boards, a photo a day monthly layout, and so much more. The last tool I'm going to show you today is the Calendar Wallpaper Maker. And this tool will help you give your iPad the exact look or mood that you're feeling. Just select the wallpaper type that you want to create, add a background image, and edit the calendar. choose Sunday or Monday start. That's it. Export and save, and it's ready to be set as a wallpaper on your device. You will even be able to create dynamic wallpaper duos so that the background adapts automatically according to how you're holding your iPad. All of these tools are constantly updated and upgraded, and there are already a couple of brand new ones on the way. This was just a little intro of what you can expect from Studio. I will be releasing more sneak peeks and mini tutorials on my Instagram and Facebook pages, so make sure to follow me over there. If you have any questions, drop me a comment below. I'll get back to you as quick as I can. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.